welcome back to my channel. Who is loving being in the middle of fall? I know I am, so I have a fall haul for everyone today. I wanted to share with you all the items that I am just loving for fall. So if you want to check out all of my favorite new items for fall, definitely keep watching. If you are new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I'm a full-time working mom, but in my spare time, I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, a little bit of luxury, and reselling as well. So if those kind of things sound at all interesting, definitely check out my other videos and consider hitting that subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching another video. Alright guys, so fall is my all-time favorite season, hands down. I am totally loving fall vibes, and I'm so excited to share with you guys some really cool finds that I recently picked up for fall. So I have a whole little smattering of things for the home, fragrance, shoes, in addition to a bunch of really cool wardrobe finds that I'm really excited to share with you guys, all of which are really reasonably priced. And as per usual, I will link down below any of the items that I'm sharing that are still available, and I even have some discount codes thrown in there as well. So if you want to check out everything that I want to share with you guys, keep on watching. We are just going to go and jump right into this. I'm going to start off with one of my all-time favorite home fragrances, and that's from the line Nest. It's from Laura Slatkin, and this is sold in so many different places. If you watch my channel, you will know that still my all-time favorite scent for the holidays in my home is the Nest Holiday Fragrance. It's not quite holiday season yet. It'll be here before we know it, I know. And I'm already stocked up on the holiday scent. But for fall, I really wanted to try out this pumpkin chai scent. So I wanted to share with you guys this find. I picked it up on Amazon. I will link it below. The Amazon links are not affiliate links, so feel free to shop in an unbiased way. But I found this on Amazon for a pretty good deal, so I decided to try this out. I have not tried this fragrance yet, so I will unbox it for you guys right now. Okay, so here's the packaging, super pretty. This would be a great hostess gift. I decided to pick up the reed diffuser in this pumpkin chai fragrance. It got pretty good reviews, so I'm so excited to check it out. Of course, it does come with the reeds, which I probably won't show, but I'm gonna go ahead and take out the bottle here and see what I think. This is really my first impression of this particular fragrance. So here is the beautiful vessel it comes in, and it's just so pretty. I leave it on a little bookshelf in my entryway so that whenever guests just come by the door, they can smell whatever reed diffuser fragrance I have of the moment. So I think this is going to be perfect to take us into the holiday season. Okay, so it just opens like this. Let me try to do this without spilling anything. So this stopper is on here pretty hard. It's taken a minute to release it, but here we go. That was definitely a workout. Well, I am happy with this. You definitely smell the pumpkin, a little spicy, but it doesn't seem too overpowering. So I'm excited to set this up as soon as I'm done with this video. I'm gonna leave it a little bit uncorked like this because I'm just gonna put it up right now. But it's a beautiful vessel, really nice for the home. And the scent is actually pretty potent with these, which is really what I love about this. So definitely check out the reed diffusers. My all-time favorite though is holiday scent for the holidays, but I'm thinking I'm probably gonna like this pumpkin chai as well. I will keep you guys posted. All right guys, so up next is my current favorite body cream that I want to share with you guys. I try a lot of body moisturizers and creams because I really just hate dry skin, so I use them a lot. And right now I'm really loving this one from Philosophy. This is their Cloud Cream. So let me show you guys up close. So here is the one I'm currently loving. I just picked this up. It's called Marzipan Dream. So if you love marzipan, a little bit of almond fragrance like I do, this smells heavenly. So this is the Cloud Cream, which is relatively new compared to some of their other body creams. I did a little mini review of some of my favorite Philosophy products a couple years ago. I will link that video down below. It's definitely not updated, but I love Philosophy. I think they make some really great products. And back when I made that video, I don't even think this cream had been released. So I was really excited to try this. And what's nice about this cream is that it has little beads. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has little vitamin beads in the inside. And that's supposed to provide some extra moisturization. But really, the scent is just so nice. You can see it's a very thick cream. and it's just super moisturizing. I literally just got this a few days ago and I've really worked through a bit, as you can see there. So I love it. If you love marzipan, definitely check this out. I'll link it below. If you don't love marzipan, that's all right too, because they have so many other fragrances. They even put out a lot of holiday fragrances too. So really loving this comforting scent right now in fall. All right, so up next, I have a fall pair of shoes that I recently picked up from Rothy's. In case you're curious, they come like this. I will leave a link down below in the description box where we take you to the site, but also share with you a referral code in case you want to save a little bit of money on your purchase. But I love Rothy's. I've talked about Rothy's previously. I will link my other video down below. I have 3 or 4 pairs right now, and I really love how it's a sustainable brand made out of recycled water bottles, which is super cool. They are washable, comfortable, and I think they look pretty trendy and work appropriate, especially for a fabric type of shoe. So I picked up these. These are the points. I love pointy toe flats. I think it adds a little bit of dressiness and elongates the leg. And this color is called Brandy. I thought it was perfect for fall. I will show some clips here of me showing some up close shots to see the details of the shoes, and also show a little bit of a try on. For pointy toe shoes from Rothy's, they do recommend sizing up half a size. In my previous pointy toe Mary Janes, I thought that was the perfect advice. I also went up half a size here, so normally I'm 7, this is a 7.5. And as you may be able to see in the footage, it is a little bit loose. So honestly, for this style, I probably should have gone with my true to size. But I think half a size up works okay, so I'm going to keep these and just try to wear them and see what I think. I will be honest that this particular style is not my most favorite in terms of the look. I think it shows your toes a little too much in the pointy part, and it's not quite as elongating and flattering, I will say, as the pointy toe Mary Janes, in case you're curious about that. Those are the ones that I have that have the little bows. I think those are my perfect Rothy shoes, but I'm going to try these out a little bit. I do love the color. I love how the bottom has this leopard. I mean, I think that's really cute and unique. So I'm excited to style this for fall. I think the color scheme is just totally perfect. So I'm excited to try these out. Okay guys, so I'm going to move on to my favorite fall fashion finds recently, and I'm really excited to share with you guys just a real wide variety of items. They're all really reasonably priced as well. Alright, so the first Amazon item that I picked up for fall and have been really loving so far this season is this really cozy flannel. It's a pretty thick flannel, so I would say that I like to use it most like a shacket, as you can see here in some of the footage that I filmed with me trying it on. I just love this colorway. I'm a neutral girl at heart, so I love the neutral colorway here. But it comes in so many different colors in case this really isn't your style. But it's a really thick fleece. You could wear it buttoned up like a shirt, but to be honest, I think it's a little thick for that. And I just love it kind of like a jacket look, very casual, kind of weekend vibes. The quality is excellent. The buttons are sewn on really nicely. It has the little pocket detail. Just a really nice staple for fall. No question, gonna get a lot of wear out of this one. All right, so the next item is another jacket. However, this is a denim look, and I just couldn't pass up this Southwestern type of a vibe. So I love the colors. I mean, look at this denim shirt jacket here. Again, I would also wear this more like a jacket rather than a shirt, but you could probably do either. So this denim shirt is a little bit lighter weight than the shirt that I just showed you in the flannel look. So this one you possibly could wear buttoned up, but I just like it like a jacket. I mean, look at the back here. This is more of a softer fabrication, and the other parts are denim. It has the pocket detail. The only thing that I realized when I started wearing this is that the quality was not so good, to be honest. I think I probably just got one that was flawed. So I would still highly recommend getting this because I love the look and it was so reasonably priced. But to be honest, on one of the sleeves, it's missing the little button detail. It's just totally not there. So I can't button the sleeve. On this side, it's there. So, I mean, the quality, I will say, but the look is really good. So as long as I don't button the sleeve, it's fine. And as you can see in my footage here, I roll up the sleeves. I think it looks good that way too. So I would still recommend this for the look and the value, but the quality, I would say maybe not so great, at least on this particular one. All right, so next up, I have probably the most versatile piece, or one of the most versatile pieces in this little haul, and that's this really nice coat-again, maybe I'll call it. It's definitely not as much of a coat look as I thought it was when I saw it online on Amazon, but it's this longer line cardigan, and it hits me at my knees, and it looked more like a coat look online, but this is really more of a soft cardigan. But it is soft, and that's why I'm so impressed by it. I like how it is a little more dressy, and I apologize for any wrinkles you may be seeing here because I literally just took some of these things out of the packaging when it got shipped to me. So, you know, it's a little bit wrinkled, but I just love the style. It's online, as you can see here, but I love the coat look, and look at how deep these pockets are. That's honestly probably one of my most favorite parts of this, is that the pockets are so deep. I just love being able to throw my phone in here and any other little items that I want to grab quickly. I think this cardigan is so versatile. In fact, I'm going to take it with me on an upcoming work trip later this week because it's the perfect type of travel piece, in my opinion, where I can wear it on the plane. It's going to be soft like a cardigan, so it's not too bulky to carry around. But also, I think it looks pretty dressy. I think I can wear it to some of the conference functions as well, and it's not going to look out of place. So I'm definitely going to take this. It's not very bulky compared to a regular coat, which I really love for travel. So I'm excited to use this more this season, and I'll let you guys know what I think about this as I use it more and more. But this is one of my favorite items from this haul just because of the versatility, and I think it looks really great either dressed up or dressed down as well. So definitely a great find, and consider checking it out. All right, so I have one more Amazon item to share with you guys in this particular haul. And I will say that I have a bunch of other Amazon products coming that I will share with you in coming videos if you want to stay tuned for more types of these items that I check out. I definitely don't show you everything I pick up. I'm just showing you the items that I really, really love from Amazon. So I'm excited to keep sharing those types of things with you in the months to come as well. And I forgot to mention, but these Amazon items, again, were not gifted to me or sent to me. I purchased all these totally on my own, and I picked them out totally on my own. So hopefully this is a pretty unbiased type of review of them. As you can tell, I do not have favorable things to say about every piece that I'm showing you guys. So this one, though, I think is pretty great for fall. It is this really gorgeous waffle knit sweater. It's a little bit on a thicker side, but definitely not too thick. It's warm and cozy. I love a good waffle knit. It's one of my most favorite types of knits to wear in the fall and winter. This one has just a really nice, almost Henley style detail with some wood finish buttons, as you can see. But I mean, this is so classic. I love the side slits because then you could do a little front tuck, as I often like to do with these bulky sweaters, just to define my waistline a little bit more. But I mean, just a wardrobe basic, and you can get it on Amazon for a really great price. And I just love these types of looks. So I am super excited about this one. I'm going to be wearing this on repeat for sure in the coming months as well. All right, so I have one final piece to share with you guys, actually two pieces, and that is literally what I'm wearing. I say two pieces because this comes as a set. So this is from one of my all-time favorite brands that I always talk about, and that's Barefoot Dreams. So Barefoot Dreams makes really cozy, comfy, gorgeous fabrication of knitwear. Started off in the baby blanket category and then just kind of grew from there. It's one of my most favorite types of loungewear because of the softness. You literally have to feel this fabrication, and then you will understand how great it is. I will link down below my original Barefoot Dreams video where I really go into a lot of detail about the fabrication. I think especially this time of year, this type of item is perfect for gifting. I've given so much Barefoot Dreams in the past to family, friends, coworkers, you name it. So definitely consider something from this line, first for yourself and then for a gift. But this is just dreamy, and it's so nice to wear around lounging, but they also make a lot more trendy styles where you can wear them outside of the house too. I do that all the time. And the coatigans and cardigans are perfect for the workplace, in my opinion, as well, when sometimes the air conditioning can be a little chilly, even in the summertime. But for fall and winter, this is where Barefoot Dream shines, I will say. So they don't often have two-piece sets. So when I saw this set, I jumped on it. I will link it down below. I think I purchased this on QVC, the Home Shopping Network, because I think their deals on Barefoot Dreams are better than anywhere else I can find. So definitely check out the link down below, and you can see for yourself that their deals are pretty good for Barefoot Dreams. So this one is a set. So it's this cozy chic light sweater. As you can see here, it's a little bit of a v-neck type of a sweater, a soft v-neck, and it's this lighter fabrication of cozy chic. So because of that, I think this really can transition to probably 3 seasons of the year. Probably not summer, although you could pull this over a t-shirt or tank top as a little sweatshirt during the summer. But otherwise, it's just the perfect lighter fabrication of their beautiful, infamous cozy fabric. And it comes along with this luxe jogger set. So the bottoms are not the cozy chic fabrication, it's more of a luxe knit type of very fine fleece lined joggers. So the combination I think works really well. I do have pairs of joggers in the cozy chic fabrication as well, but sometimes when you wear that matchy with the top, it's a little much of cozy chic. So I do like how they broke up the fabrication a little bit. These joggers are so comfortable. It's a very fine fleece line type of jogger. I did go with the regular length, and they do make the inseams in petite and tall for this version as well. I'm about 5'4", but I really like the regular length for these types of joggers because I want a full length coverage, and it's nice because they're joggers. So if I really wanted to hike them up a little bit, I could. So there's flexibility. So I went with the regular length here. I'm in my size small, which for Barefoot Dreams these days is my usual size. And the colorway I selected is called Carbon. So it's this beautiful darker gray. I just wanted to go with the neutral, and I think this works really well. But there are so many different colors. If you want to check out the link down below, you'll see there are many different options for this set. But the perfect gift for someone you love, definitely check it out. If not, hopefully you love yourself enough to gift yourself one of these as well as I did, because I can't say enough about this fabrication this time of year. Alright guys, so there you have it. Those are my recent fall finds that I added to my wardrobe over the past month or so. I hope you had fun checking out all the fun things that I have been getting into recently. I love putting these videos together. Not sure if you guys love them, but if you do, definitely let me know below, because I'm looking forward to putting other types of random hauls together for you throughout the year. It's always fun to kind of see what other people I think are picking up, and I tend to get pretty influenced to buy things you all tell me that I should get, so hopefully I can pay some of that back and share with you things that I'm loving as well. Comment below as usual, let me know what your favorite fall finds are as well, and I definitely want to check those out too. Thank you so much for watching another video. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy fall!